Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chicory coffee. Not only is it a delicious substitute for proper ground coffee, it's also healthy in pregnancy. Barley contains lots of helpful nutrients for you and your unborn little one, while also being reputed to reduce pregnancy-related water retention. Bonus. The 1st of August 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
The biggest list of don'ts for pregnant women involves food. During your pregnancy, you should avoid raw meat and shellfish, uncooked seafood, we're looking at you, sushi, including oysters, mussels, and clams. Also avoid rare or undercooked beef and poultry.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, it is safe to eat honey while you are pregnant. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists does not list honey in their recommended list of foods that pregnant women should avoid. 25 October 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Limit your intake of caffeinated teas. Black, green, white, matcha, chai, and oolong teas are all sourced from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. They contain caffeine, a natural stimulant that should be limited during pregnancy. 28 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Raspberry leaf, peppermint, ginger, and lemon balm tea are the only ones currently deemed as potentially safe. However, women may benefit from avoiding the first two during their first trimester of pregnancy. 28 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are no official guidelines on decaffeinated coffee and pregnancy. Nonetheless, due to the very low amounts of caffeine in decaf coffee, it's most likely safe to drink in moderation during pregnancy. 1 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.